We've got a big age and demographic group that we find come to the home show, whether that's first home buyers, first homeowners, people who've been in properties a long time.
From you've got your young 18-year-olds all the way up to your 70, 80-year-olds, okay? Sometimes we'll find different days. We've got the older people coming on a Friday, more families coming over the weekends.
Starting to see a bit more of a younger crowd coming through. And it's a lot of renos, even new builds as well. But a lot of people also starting off, so they want to get some ideas.
The type of people that we meet at the home show varies very much. It's from families going all the way up to construction, all the way up to builders and professionals. We've met quite a few designers as well.
Fridays, we usually find that the businesses come through and people within the trade. Saturdays, more legitimate people, sort of people that come pre-planned with their plans, that are already planning to build a house and they're organised.
We find that there's a whole array of different demographics, social, economic graphics that come here, and it's a good opportunity where everybody's in one place.